Yeah. No. This is quite simple. You just follow. The first step is to analyze unroasted seeds. Okay, can you hold this one for me? Thank you. Here we're going to look for an even color, an even size, no broken seeds. That's very important. So let's start touching the seeds, moving around like this. Make sure that everything looks even. Okay? But also, you can grab a full hand in the well. Feel the weight. Okay? This coffee must be dense and heavy. And when it falls, it sounds like pebbles. Okay?
It's really strong.
And if it's a strictly hard bean, it's impossible to break. Try to break one with your fingernail like this. Let's see.
No, you cannot do it, Teresa. These ones are plastic.
Yeah. No, no, they are real. They're plastic.
No, this is high mountain grown, of course. And you can see on the screen how a first grade coffee will look at this stage against a lower grade, probably it's usually break that one. You can see the difference maybe over there.
Different colors, different sizes, and everything. So, for example, if you like to drink instant coffee, this is what you're drinking. So please stop doing that. It's not healthy. Our advice. Okay? Now you know the truth. Okay. At this point, it doesn't smell like coffee. It will smell something like hay, like alfalfa. Normally, what we do is that we put our nose inside like this. Up here. Smell like hay. Smells like this. Right? Really? Yeah. So this smell means that this coffee is fresh. So we approve our samples and our coffee is ready to be roasted. Okay? But that means it's fresh.
Just I think this is very.
Really?
Yeah, you can just need to.
Just a check.
Too much caffeine, so almost.
Yes.
Well, it's very easy, right? You just press down the plunger gently, and the coffee will stay at the bottom and the beverage. It's very easy.
We're going to try this coffee in a few minutes. Okay? The next step is to analyze the roasted appearance of the beans. Okay? Here, we're going to look for an even color, because an even color means an even roast, and that's a consistent flavor in your cup at the end. Okay? That's good. But also, I want you to feel something. You can grab a full hand and slide exactly, because coffee loses 20% of the original weight in the oven. Now it's bigger because coffee expands like popcorn, and now it's oily. Oils are very important because they add part of the flavor always. Okay? Now we're supposed to smell it, but to smell it, there's a technique. Okay? That's why we have samples of brown coffee here, brown coffee. And here we're going to add hot water to do what we call breaking the cup. Okay?
Yes, breaking cups. Breaking the cup, it's a very simple technique. We're going to go capturing the first vapors of this mixture, water and coffee, looking for an intense coffee aroma now. Nothing mold or fruity. Sometimes bad coffee can smell like leather or peanuts. That's very old coffee for sure. It's not very good. Okay?
So now we're going to break the cup. Okay? Let's take our spoon. There's one spoon for each of us. And we have to put our nose very close to the cup like this to catch different vapors, right? To smell. And then with the spoon, we push away the grounds like this to the front. So we push and smell at the same time. Looking for an intense and pure coffee aroma.
So they're getting the first extraction.
Like it.
This is strongest smell.
Like it, sir? Yeah, that's good. Like it? Intense and pure coffee aroma. But let me tell you something. Normally, in the quality control lab, they wait 10 minutes until the grounds settle down, they clean the foam and taste it. But here, we don't have 10 minutes. Okay, we can put the spoon back into the glass of water, please. Because this is like a cookie. Cookie without the hospital. So we'll be right back after this match. I got messages. Okay, thank you. Our coffee ready here. Now we switch. But now we need to clean the spoon with a napkin because we have to cool it down a little bit, this coffee, okay? Just a little.
Yeah, this is what we call undressing coffee. It's the sexy part of the coffee. No, it's true. We try coffee cold. It's easier to find the virtues and defects. You can do the same thing at home if you want to know which kind of coffee you're drinking. Prepare a cup of coffee and taste it. Let it cool down and taste it again. If it changes the flavor, then you know it's not a very good coffee. See, the flavor should remain. It should be the same.
So that's why in some places they give you the coffee very, very, very hot. Because it's very, very, very bad. It burns your tongue and you don't know what you're drinking. It's not fair. And then you compare this big because it's half a big of the thing. It's not fair. So that's why we are cooling down a little bit this coffee, okay? And we're going to taste it. But to taste it, there's a technique, another technique. Just a little bit of coffee like this, okay?
You can turn it down with this.
Yes, also. And then we do this. You have to slurp it, yes. Excellent. Okay, I guess we need time here. Don't worry, nobody's looking at you. You can do this at home and everything. Don't worry, nobody's looking at you. Okay, now you have less customers. I think it's gonna be hard for you, right?
This is not gonna work.
Just wait.
Excellent. Well, excellent. For the first time. You want to try it again?
What? Another story.
Yeah. Okay. Why we have to make this noise? This noise is very important. Yeah, getting air to the sample. It's because we have to make a spray all over the taste buds. So in this way we are tasting and smelling. One part of the nose is going to go to the throat. So it's a combination of mouthfeel and aroma. Mouthfeel and aroma. We do this with 150 cups daily. We never sleep at night. Too much coffee, right?
Of course we don't drink.
Too much coffee?
Do they spit it out?
Yeah, we spit it out like wine taste.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna.
Wait, we're not going to do that.
We're gonna skip this part.
But to become an expert, you have to study like 2 years. But they just did it. They deserve a prize.